Good morning, children. Welcome in your math class. Children, today we will solve exercise number 7.7 and question number 7. What is asking in question number 7? Your question is 3 sandwiches cost rupees 55 and 50 paise. Find the cost of one sandwich. Means 3 sandwiches के कॉस्ट है 55 रुपीज़ एंड 50 पैसे. तो व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन सैंडविच? सो लेट्स सी. ₹55 and 50 paise will be your dividend. 3 will be your divisor and find the quotient, and quotient will be your answer. So children, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, but 6 is more than 5. So we write here 1 and 3 come down. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 and 5. Next come down. 3 8 ja 24. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And 5 come down. 3 5 ja 15. 5 minus 5 0. 1 minus 1 0. So your answer will be 18 rupees and 50 paise, because 50, how it's come, you know very well. Remaining of 2 digits from our right side, we put a dot, then your answer will change into rupee and paise. And children, let's see question number 9. A group of 6 girls went on a picnic. They spent a total sum of rupees 157 and 50 paise. If they shared the amount equally, how much did each of them pay? मीन्स 6 लड़कियों का, मैं 6 लड़कियों का ग्रुप था, वो घूमने गया पिकनिक पर. दे स्पेंड अ टोटल सम ऑफ रुपीज़ 157. उन सभी ने पूरा रुपए मिला करके खर्च किया 157 and 50 पैसे. इफ़ दे शेयर द अमाउंट इक्वली, अगर वो इस पूरे अमाउंट को बराबर बराबर हिस्सों में शेयर करती हैं, तो हाउ मच डिड ईच ऑफ देम पे, तो उन सभी ने मिला करके कितने अलग अलग, उन सभी में से अलग अलग कितने पे किए. सो राइट हियर 157 and 50 paise is your dividend, 6 your divisor, and the quotient what will come, quotient is your answer. So let's solve. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. 12 is not more than 15, so 6 2 ja 12. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 1 minus 1 0. 7 come down. 6 6 ja 36, because 36 is not more than 37. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. And 5 come down. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 1 minus 1 is nothing. So 0 will come down, and 6 5 ja 30. Remainder is nothing, and your answer will be 26 rupees and 25 paise. Children, let's see question number 11. Question number 10. What is your answer? 4 glass tumbler cost rupees 37 and 20 paise. What is the cost of one tumbler? Means 4 glass tumbler of cost rupees 37 and 20 paise. So what is asking us in this question? One tumbler cost is asking. So we write here 37.20, which is your dividend, 4 is your divisor, and find the quotient, which will your answer. 4 1 ja 4. Children, speak the table of 4 which is not more than 37. 4 9 ja 36. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, nothing. 2 will come down. 4 3 ja 12. 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. Remainder is nothing, and 0 go up. So what will your answer? Your answer will be 9 rupees and 30 paise. Children, question number 8 and 11. Question number 8 and 11 is your homework. Do it in your notebook. If have you any queries, any problem, kindly ask. Okay. And children, today we will solve chapter test of chapter 7. Children, in this chapter test of chapter 7, what is saying in question number 1? Piggy bank of Aman and his sister Aisha are opened. Who has more money? Means जो गुल्लक आप बोलते हैं ना, जिसमें आप पैसे इकट्ठा करते हैं, पिगी बैंक. अमन और आयशा के पिगी बैंक को खोला गया है, तो किसके पास ज़्यादा मनी है वो इस क्वेश्चन में बताना है. सो लेट्स काउंट. दिस वन इज़ 500 नोट and this one also is 500 note. This and this is 100 note. This one and this one is 50 rupees note. This one and this one is 20 rupees note, and this one is 10 rupees note, and both of these are 5 rupees note. So let's solve. 500, 100, 100, 100. 50 rupees, 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 20 rupees, 10, 5, 5. Okay. But children, you can do this format like this. 500 into 2, 100 into 3, 50 into 2, 20 into 2, and we don't write 10 into anyone or anything because here only one note of 10 rupees. We write here 5 into 2. So what will come? It will come 5 into 500 into 2 is equal to 5 to the 10 and put 20 of ones and tens of 500. Okay, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3 and put 20 of ones and tens place. 50 into 2 is equal to 100. 20 into 2 is equal to 40 and 10 and 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So this is your short form. So write here in ones place all 0. So we write here 0. In tens place 4 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. We write here 6. And in 100 place 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. In 1000 plus in 1000 place only 1 here. So we write down 1 here. So this money is of a month money. Because here a symbol of Y means this total money of a month's money. And children, let's know about Aisa's money. So here 500 note of 500 rupees. So here we write 1000, 2 note of 100 rupees. We write here 200, 2 note of 50 rupees. So we write here 100, 2 note of 20 rupees. So we write here 40, 3 note of 10 rupees. We write here 30 and 2 note of 5 rupees. So we write here 10. Let's add them. In ones place all is 0. So we write here 0. In tens place 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. And in 100 place here 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And in 1000 place only 1. So we write here 1. The Aisa's money is 1380 rupees. Children, Aisa's money is 1380 rupees. Aman's money is 1460 rupees. So here in this question asking is who has more money. So let's subtract Aisa's money from Aman's money. Aman's money is 1460 rupees and Aisa's money is 1380 rupees. So let's subtract it. 0, 6 minus 8 is not possible. So we'll borrow 1 from 4. So here will be 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. And here left over 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 80 rupees more Aman's rupees 80 more of Aisa's money. And in question number 2, write in short form 15 rupees and 60 paise. So you know very well how we write it. 50 rupees and 60 paise. 22 rupees and 15 paise. 22 rupees and 50 paise. 68 rupees and 5 paise. So write here, first we write here 68, then put a dot, then 5 and add a 0 in one's place of paise. Okay. 102 rupees. It means 10 rupees and 20 paise. 1 liter of milk cost rupees 30 and 50 paise. Arun buy 5 liter. How much money does he pay? So what we'll do here? We'll do here multiplication. Multiply 30 rupees and 50 paise multiplied by 5. 5 0 ja 0, 5 5 ja 25. Write here 5. 2 will be carry with 0. 5 0 is a 0 plus 2. 5 3 is a 15. So what will your answer? Your answer will be 152 rupees and 50 paise. Question number 4 is your homework, and question number 5. Encircle the correct answer from the given option. Cost of 4 pence is rupees 180. What is the cost of 1 pen? So what we'll do here? We'll do divide. 180 is your quotient. 180 is your dividend. 4 is your divisor, and your quotient will be your answer. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16 right here, and 16 will be minus from 18. So what will come? 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And 0 will come down. 4 5 ja 20. Remainder is nothing, and your answer will be 45 rupees is the cost of 1 pen. Your answer will be option number 1. In option number B, 143 paise is equivalent to, means 143 पैसे कितने के बराबर होता है? So children, 143 पैसे. You know very well, remaining of our 2 digit from our right side. We put a dot, and dot will separate the number of rupees and पैसे. हम अपने राइट साइड से 2 नंबर छोड़ करके जब डॉट या पॉइंट लगाते हैं तो ये डॉट जो हम लगाते हैं बेटा, तो ये जो नंबर्स के बीच में डॉट जो हम लगाते हैं, तो डॉट के राइट साइड के जितने भी डिजिट होते हैं वो पैसे में चेंज हो जाते हैं, एंड लेफ्ट साइड के जो भी डिजिट होते हैं वो किस में चेंज होते हैं, रुपीज़ में। सो योर आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर सेकेंड, 1 rupees and 43 पैसे। So children, do your question number 4 by yourself. If you have any queries, any doubt, can ask. Thank you children.